Hello there. Twitch posted this a few days ago and I almost missed it, but I'm glad I caught it. They're rolling out watch streaks finally for everyone. It's been experimental for a few years, and in the next 2 weeks, they're going to be rolling it out to everybody. So I'm going to show you how to make a little alert in Streamer.bot for it. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into actions. We're going to add a new action. I'm going to call mine watch streak. And okay. Now in our triggers, we're going to go add Twitch chat watch streak. You can make this trigger only on like 3 or 5 or whatever you want. I'm just gonna make it trigger on any value for educational purposes. I'm gonna hit OK. Now I'm gonna have it just send a message, but you can have it pop up on screen, all kinds of things. But I'm gonna go add. We're gonna go into Twitch, or yeah, Twitch chat, send an announcement to chat, and I'm gonna just put user just hit a watch streak of, and then I'm gonna go into the Wikipedia and I'm just gonna copy this right here where it says watch streak. We're gonna copy that, go back into Streamer.bot, and I'm just gonna paste it there. And that's it. Now we can test it. Let me pull it up here. Now, whenever your viewers hit a watch streak, it'll pop there. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. Follow me on TikTok. And let me know if you want any other videos and stuff. Alrighty. Goodbye. Peace.